Hello there, welcome everybody. My name is Don, and if you saw the series Breaking Bad, then you'll instantly recognize this house. An iconic house, I think now, as Breaking Bad was probably the best TV series that has ever been made. It must go down along with Walter White's house as one of the most iconic buildings in film and television history. I suppose the most iconic is Norman Bates's house in Psycho. That would be probably the most famous. But what happened in this house, as I'm sure you all remember from the story, I know it's going back a few years now, but some terrible things went on in here. So anyway, this is my version or my scale model of that same house. I know the car isn't quite right, but that's all I'd got. So if you're interested at all in how I made it, or whether you'd like to make your own version, scale model, then please watch the rest of the video. Please subscribe to the channel, by the way, click the notification bell, and there are 200 videos that I've made in the past of various different scale models that you may be interested in. So let's get on with the video, and I will show you how I went about making it. Okay, let's make a start then. So I don't have any dimensions at all for the building. All I can do is look on Google at photographs and determine the sizes just from looking at photographs. So they may not be as accurate as maybe they could be, but it's the best I can do. So I worked out, generally speaking, there's Jane's door and Jess's door with a window either side. Pretty basic facade front of the building there, and I've made it 13 3/4 or 35 centimetres by 8 inches or 20 centimetres. That seems to be about the right size from what I can gather from photos anyway. And the front seems to be made up of 3 sections. There's the facade like that, then there's a stairwell, stairs leading up to the front doors, and then above that there's like an archway with a gable end coming up to a point at the top there. So I've got my front. Now for the stairs, I've worked out how high I want it to be. The stairs will come to about that height, and it seems as though they're longer steps than they are risers. So I've made the step 1/2 inch and the riser 3/8 of an inch. So 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/8. And there are 6 steps. So they will go either side there like that. And then either side of the steps themselves is this kind of thing. There's like a wall. If I fix that onto there, there's like a wall either at the side of the stairs like that. And that will they will sit like that. Okay, it's quite wide, the wall, so I've bulked it out with the polystyrene, and these will have capping stones on the top like so, and that will be either side of the doors there. And then when that's in place, I can put my steps in. So there'll be one like that, one like that, one like that, one like that, and then go up all the way until I've got my stairs in place. Okay, so I'll do that, get my stairs and side walls and capping stones all done, and then I can sort out the arch and the gable end above it, and that will be the front of the building done. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be back in a moment. So I finished my steps off and stuck those to the front of the building there, and we've got our side wall there with capping stones all down. So that's that section done. So now we need the arched section at the top of the stairs. So I managed to work out the size, well, the shape of the front, which is the same width as the stairs, and then there's an archway level with the tops of the doors, and then I don't know what you call it, a gable shape at the top there, pointy bit. So and then bulk it out with 1/2 inch polystyrene again, and just put a piece of cardboard down the side, and that will be the shape then at the front there. And then there is a roof to it, which will sit like that. Okay, so that will be then the shape of the front. And then there are 2 sloping roofs either side of the get in, please go in. Oh, that's it. So there are 2 pieces like that that make up the roof there. So there's that piece, the roof of the arched piece at the front, and also where are they? Lost them. Well, anyway, there are 2 like blinds, if you like, over the windows, and all these sections are Spanish tiled. So for Spanish tiles, I shall cut this corrugated sheet of well, cardboard paper. It's not very thick, but it's quite a big corrugated piece. So when these are cut up, they will look like Spanish ceramic tiles. So yeah, when that's all stuck in and the tiles are on there, then it'll pretty much be ready for painting. I've got the windows and the doors to make, but I'll do those towards the end. But for now, I'll put the rest of this together and put my tiles on and come back and we'll go from there. Okay, so I put the porch area on, all stuck, well, the whole thing is stuck together with hot melt glue, easiest thing for cardboard. The Spanish tiles all on, they were cut from corrugated sheet. All that remains now is to paint it. It's quite colourful actually. The tiles red and the steps are red. This is blue, white, and then like a cream coloured render. So I'll get it painted up. Then all I've got to do is make the windows and doors. Then we'll be done. I put a side piece on. The actual size of the house goes on like forever. It's a very long building. There's something like 4 or 5 of these size windows going all the way down the side, and of course we all know what the back end looks like. But for now I'll just do the front. That's been difficult enough. So I'll get it painted up anyway, and as usual we'll see what it looks like then. Okay, so finished the house off now. I'd like to say I painted it, but I didn't use paint. The blue is just a flat blue paint, but the red and the cream is a tile grout. So mixing some tile grout to quite a thick consistency, you can get like a rough rendered finish, which is what I think the front of the house is. So it's quite a rough render like that. So that's what you can do then with tile grout rather than paint, and it comes in different colours anyway. So I did the Spanish tiles and the steps in the same manner, and a little bit of white paint over there. The doors and windows is just 2mm cardboard again. Looking at photographs to get the design of the doors and windows. that was fairly easy. And then for the glass, I used some of this, well, it's an A4 sheet of acetate. So that represents the glass. And then behind that, some net curtaining, which I think looks quite good. Okay, so there we are, all finished. Jane and Jess's house. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked it, then please subscribe to the channel. I normally do World War II dioramas, but I like to diverse from time to time, doing different things, so this being one of them. So if you're interested in model making or scale modelling, 1/35 scale normally, then please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and you will be informed when new videos come along. And of course there's no charge to you at all. So again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a go yourself. If you'd like one of Jane and Jess's house, then please have a go. Okay, till next time, thanks for watching again, and bye for now.